What is up, guys? Today we will be learning window.location. Now, you might be wondering what that is. So, you must be wondering, in Thunkable, you can just make a new page and then you can make multiple pages. So, when you click on one button, you go to the next page. Something similar with uh, text-based coding, but it's not exactly the same. So, in CodePen, I don't think there is a way you can do this. I don't believe so, but you can give it a try. I'm not sure you can do it on CodePen, but in brackets and in Visual Studio Code, you can do this. So I'm just going to give the body an ID. Let's give A, for example. And I'll give an h1 tag just to say, click the button to move on to the next page. Another tag. Now over here, I'll create a button. The type button just lets the computer know that this is a button to click. And let's see what we're gonna go on. We have to go in ID, which will be, let's see, what else could be 10? I don't really know what else to give. And we can do on click. You have to do an on click, right? Move. Those brackets for the function. Close it. And in the middle of that, we will be doing advance to next page. Alright, that is it. Okay, so let's go to the styling. Hashtag A. Color. I have to do text align. Center. Alright, what else do we have? We have that move button. So B10. B10. Border. So let's do solid 2 pixels. Black. Okay, that seems good for now. Now to the coding. So the on-click function was move. So function move. Now, what we are going to do here is we're going to do window.location equals to. So what are you going to put that equals to? So all we have to do is every time you want to create a new page, you have to create new HTML. So it doesn't necessarily have to be index.html. So index.html, main.js, and style.css, what they do is they explain what it is. So index.html tells you to put the components in. Main.js, the core. Style.css, the styling. So you can do something like next page.html. Now, it has to be .html or .js, so the computer knows that this is an HTML page. So now I'm going to put here, now we're going to navigate to the next page.html. So next page.html. That's because this is a file name over here. Now we're going to just that. The tab name I'll just change like this is page over here to h1. You have arrived to the next page. Alright, we'll give an ID to this. We're going to change the background color B. This I'm gonna link it to the same CSS. You don't have to create a new CSS. The problem is with that is you have to create a new ID. You can't use the same ID or the computer will get confused unless you do use a class for that reason. We're not going to do a JavaScript for this one. Alright, so I think that should be it. Let's go live. And as I mentioned, you can also use a console. So click the button to move to the next page. So as you see right now, it did move to the next page, so I forgot to do the styling for that. So let's go. What's the ID? B. Hashtag B. Alright, background color could be red. Or yeah, red. Alright, so let's go over here. Let's close it. Let's put a new one. Alright, advance to the next page. As you see, the tab name changed, the H1 tag changed, and the background color changed. So this is how you can create multiple pages in your HTML with just the window.location. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.